right here. I got it. I got it. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen here. I've never played this game. Never played this game. 8,000 grand. Yes. Oh. Aha. I see. Aha. It's like that game I like. With the bowls. Come on. Come on. Oh, the dragon. Oh my goodness gracious. Firecrackers everywhere. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, 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 stop. Oh, 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 oh. That's good. That's 418. Yes. Yes. I just need the R for the grand. That's it? Okay, let's do it. Red R, red R. Look, I got all of those letters on this screen. The G, the A, the MD. I just need the R. Come on, right here. The red R. Come on, the red R. The major, okay. Purple R. Come on. Come on, here we go. 20 bucks right there. Double games, jackpot. Come on. This is like my favorite.